On Wednesday, Philippine President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. announced that the forthcoming trilateral summit involving the United States, Philippines, and Japan will entail an agreement to uphold security and ensure freedom of navigation in the South China Sea. Marcos departed for Washington in the afternoon to engage in discussions with US President Joe Biden and Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida. Earlier in the day, the Philippine leader informed reporters that while there would be a focus on addressing South China Sea concerns, the primary objective of the summit remains enhancing economic cooperation among the three allied nations. The main intent of this trilateral agreement is for us to be able to continue to flourish, to be able to help each other, and of course to keep the peace in the South China Sea and the freedom of navigation, Marcos said in a separate speech ahead of his departure to Washington. Marcos expressed his intention to explore avenues for advancing cooperation with Japan and the US across several key areas, including infrastructure, semiconductors, cybersecurity, critical minerals, renewable energy, and defense and maritime collaboration. Furthermore, Marcos is scheduled to engage in discussions with Biden prior to the trilateral meeting among the three leaders. Under Marcos's leadership, the Philippines has strengthened military partnerships with both the US and Japan amid escalating maritime tensions with China in the South China Sea. Marcos has facilitated nearly doubling the number of Philippine bases accessible to American soldiers under the Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement. Additionally, negotiations are underway with Japan for a reciprocal access agreement, enabling the presence of Japanese force on Philippine soil. Simultaneously, Marcos has refuted the existence of a purported gentleman's agreement reportedly established under his predecessor, Rodrigo Duterte, with Beijing to maintain the status quo in the second Thomas Shoal, a contested maritime feature in the South China Sea. China claims almost the entire South China Sea, overlapping with territorial claims of the Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia, and Brunei. In 2016, the Permanent Court of Arbitration in The Hague said China's claims had no legal basis, a decision Beijing has rejected.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.